Hey everybody, in today's quick tip we want to talk about how you can use geometry in order to control where your 3D toolpath is cutting. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right in. In this example here we have like a mold cavity, and you can see we've done some machining on both ends of the part. And if we look at our toolpath the way we have it set up here, it's cutting inside of these pockets on the end, and we're also getting some toolpath down inside of this hole here. Okay, using geometry or the geometry that you select as a way to control your toolpath is very easy to do. If we look at this example, I've generated some additional surface faces, and what I want to do is add that to my selection. So I'll go over to geometry, right click, choose reselect, and I'm going to add these additional faces. Now these faces here will be used as blocking surfaces, and what they'll do is stop the toolpath from cutting down inside of those areas. Adding surfaces to block for fixtures or holes or other areas of your part that you may not want to machine is a fast and easy way to control where your toolpath cuts in 3D. I recommend you try it on your next project.